Welcome back, y'all. So glad you're here with us at Khali Yoga Center. My name is Michelle. I'm here with John. Today we're going to do Supine Twist and Savasana. All right, John, let's get started. Lie down on your back. The practice of surrender. All right. Okay, let's start with easy spinal twist. So easy spinal twist, bring both knees into your chest. And then just easily take your arms out to a T. And easy drop your knees over to the left. And let the knees rest on the floor. Yeah. Supine twist is a practice of release, and that this variation somewhat easy, not as deep of a twist as some of the other variations we can show. You can notice here that John's shoulder isn't all the way on the floor, and that's okay. And what you can notice is that this upper arm is almost there. So if he can just press down his upper arm into the floor and then allow the shoulder to soften, that's nice. Another thing we can do here is if there's a lot of distance between the shoulder and the floor, we can put a block under his bottom knee. So lift your knee up, John. So if you elevate the knee, but it's still supported versus floating, it's supported, then he has more room to drop the shoulder down. Did you notice that? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, come back to center, John. Let's show another variation. All right, supine twist. Extend your left leg long on the mat. Pull your right knee into your chest. Hug it in with your right hand. And hop your hips to the right. I guess you need to do that first. Now pull in. I feel like I do it like this, and that's probably just in my imagination. I'm really powerful in my imagination. And then roll your right knee all the way over to the left. And then, and then the hop. Maybe the hop goes there. That makes sense. Like embodied practice. Yeah. Now he's pulling here to give a little more of a stretch. His hips are in line with his chest and shoulders. His gaze is in the opposite direction of the knee that's folded over. This leg's long on the mat. All right, come back to center. Now take eagle legs. Right leg over left. And this is where you go ahead and you can hop with your feet on the floor. You're pretty hopped already. Hopped up on goofballs. Another variation of the twist. And now Savasana. The last pose in our practice. We begin with child's, we end with Savasana. It's a whole cycle of birth to death, right? Reborn, right? Childlike mind, all the way to Savasana, like letting go of anything, right, that's not working in our lives, releasing. It's the practice of death, being able to acknowledge your work, acknowledging your work and all that you've done, just releasing, letting go. Corpse pose. Here in corpse pose, Savasana, the legs are about mats width apart and pinky toes down towards the ground. The pelvis is heavy and neutral on the mat. Arms out wide, palms up, receiving. Space in the armpits. the head relaxing. Let the muscles release from the bones and sink your bones down into your mat. Let go and be. All right, John, sit on up. Let's say goodbye to everybody together. Oh, yeah, all the way up. Good work. Thanks for being here at Khali Yoga Center. Peace out.